Hey gang, this is Pastor Jerry here, and I wanted to let you all in on some updates and happenings for the 2019 ELC camping trip to Zion National Park. We are still going to Zion. We just had a little hiccup as far as the registration. We thought it was full, but we called and it's not full, but they've completely changed how they do the registrations and park sites for this year or for next year. So I'm going to give you guys a quick tutorial on what to do, and hopefully we'll all be set. Here's our church website here. Which is just wonderful. Here we go. All right. So now, if you're going to go on the 6th of June, we can do that 6 months out. So you clicked on the page here, you go all the way over to June. So June the 6th, come back on the 8th. It has it right there. Go to check availability. Do that one first. Go there, and it's going to bring up, as long as my computer, there we go. So now we see this happening here, and we're going to be in loop B, as in boy, Bravo. So loop Bravo, and I'm going to scroll up here, and if you see, as you scroll up, it'll show you what loop it is. So we're scrolling. With the load more, so we're going to load more here. Click the little button here, load more. Okay, sorry if this isn't very professional. I'm having to cross my hands over. So now, again, if you're going to come up a day early, you're able to register today. If not, you have to wait until tomorrow, because it's December 6th to June 6th. So these blue and white lines means that it has not been released yet. So I'm still on loop B. So let's say you want to go up to, so here's loop B here. There's the loop number. And so let's say you want to click on and check out 7. So that's site number 7, loop B. It's unavailable right now, but tomorrow morning it'll be open, and it'll have an A where that little, show you here, there will be an A right there by my cursor. And then you're able to go on and register for the next 2 days there. So then, if you want to be in B, you can go over here to the map, and it'll show you all about loop B there, or I'm sorry, that specific site. If you wanted to scroll down some more and visit another site there, so that's 17. It'll show you over here 17, and you come here, and what you can do is just drag it up here and look at it. So you can go up and drag it here like that, and you can see what it is. Now, hypothetically, let's say you wanted to go a day early. So I'm going to go back and go over here to the 5th, because some people want to come down a day early. You've got to completely X out and then go back in here, say the 5th of June, and you want to stay till the 8th. Check availability, and you scroll up here. Want to load more. Now look at this right here. See? Now, here's loop B, and that's site 1. So that says available. So that's what it'll say tomorrow for anything happening on June the 6th. So since it is right now December 5th, you can go ahead and reserve a site for June the 5th today. And so obviously it's going to be either B1, or you can scroll down some more and you see these are available. So this is, I think this is B, yeah. This is Loop B, and there's 17's available. So hypothetically, if you wanted to go over to, look here, to 17, you're right here. You can go all the way across, so to that right there, and you can even click on it where it says details. So Loop B, site 17, view details. You click on it, and it'll show you exactly what that site looks like. Has some shade there. It'll cost you $90 for 3 days. That's 3 nights, and it's a pretty cool deal. And so then you just scroll down, and it shows you all that. All right, I'm going to try to post this. Actually, I'm going to try to send a link out to everyone here at our church. This is just on the Facebook page. And so hope this helps you guys. If you get lost, just Facebook, either myself or Rebecca, and we'll get you guys going. But there are only 30 sites left in Group B, because what has happened is they've opened up the registration for people who want to register those sites 15 days prior. So for instance, they may be coming out to Watchman Campground on the 1st of June or the last few days of May. Well, they can book that site for 15 days. So that runs into where we were, and they couldn't do that last year. So that's why we're in a hurry. So I would tell you guys, if you want to go on this trip, go ahead and register tomorrow morning. There are only 30 sites left. Register tomorrow morning. It's going to be $30 per day. And then go ahead, and if you have to cancel, that's fine too. But so you'll have the site, because I'm pretty much sure that there'll be nothing left this weekend for the dates of the 6th, 7th, and 8th for us. So anyway, hey Joseph, hey Shauna, hey Kimberly. So anyway, go ahead and do that. If you have any questions, again, just relook at this here. But pretty much the main thing is you'll just come to the church website. You'll click here, and then you'll come and you'll be at this page here. And then once again, you go to check in. You go to your dates that you want. And for us, it's going to be the 6th through the 8th. And then check availability. That'll bring you back around to this page here. And then you scroll up. You scroll up to Group B. I'm sorry, Loop B, not Group B. Loop B. There we are. So that's Loop B. And so tomorrow morning, these will be open, and they'll say A on them. And then that's how you rock and roll. So anyway, that's it. Again, there are only 30 left, 30 from what I was told this afternoon by the Park Service. So 30 left, and we'll be in Group B as in boy. All right, that's it. Have a great evening. Love you guys, and hope y'all can go with this. See you. Bye-bye.